In a sunlit lab aboard a playful rover, a curious host explains the sun endlessly sneezes solar wind. A talking comet and a brave solar panel show charged particles streaming outward, shaping northern lights and nudging satellites in playful dances. The lesson uses a fizzy soda as metaphor where bubbles become magnetic fields bending around Earth, offering a bubbly shield. As the sun breathes, the team explains solar storms, how they originate, and how scientists monitor them from space and balloons. The episode invites viewers to notice windy days and sparkling skis, linking weather to the sun's breeze.